Good morning, everybody. Michelle with Creative Operation. I have an unboxing for you today from Your Creative Studio. I just got this. This is one of their subscription boxes. This one is for September of 2023, and I absolutely am excited to see what's in it. I haven't looked. I just took it out of the box. Here's her beautiful thank you card, and on the back, this gorgeous, gorgeous image you can add to your journals, your projects, whatever you want, and use this as part of your decoration. I just absolutely think that's a really brilliant idea. So then inside here, I'm just going to pull this out here. We have all kinds of different stuff. So let's see what's in this project. So first of all, we got some washi tape here. And I'm going to open this up kind of carefully. As I've talked about before in my unboxings, and then I have done it, I've used these bags in my projects. So I'm going to pull that washi out. Oh, this is a gorgeous color. So this is obviously getting into the autumn themes here. So beautiful autumn type colors with the florals in that washi tape. So that's absolutely gorgeous. I do like that. That's beautiful. All right, so we have that. We always get stamps in the subscription boxes, so these are fun too. This one looks like it might be fun. This one is like a label stamp. Look at that, with a scroll of either paper or ribbon, whatever you want to call it. Beautiful, intricate stamps too, and they stamp absolutely gorgeously. So excited about that. And you know, I am terrible at using stamps. I mean, I try really hard. I'm not like the greatest at it, but when you have beautiful stamps like this, it makes it super easy. Oh, this one has more. So this stamp collection has some beautiful florals. Again, another kind of a label type stamp that you could do a journaling in there, or, you know, a title or something like that. And then a couple of florals too. So that's really pretty. So 3 of those, that's gorgeous. So far we're up to 4 stamps. Let's see how many are in this one, because there's more. But wait, there's more. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then here is a beautiful floral stamp. Isn't that beautiful? Gorgeous. Okay, so we got that. So here we have some papers. This says flowers, small town. So these are some artist papers, and they are different sizes. We get some little ones. They're beautiful, beautiful papers. I'll kind of go through them for you. You've got some vellum here, which is nice. And then you have some that are this size. Very pretty. I'm getting some ideas as I'm going through here. Some bigger ones, bigger square. Look at how pretty these are. So this is a beautiful floral kind of fallish theme, but it still could be like, you know, a late summer theme. There's another vellum for you. There's a vellum. Beautiful, beautiful papers. So let's go through these. And more vellum. Loving that. I'm getting some ideas here already. Some things I've been wanting to do. So awesome. So those are those papers. And let's see what is in here. Oh, we'll look at this first. Oh, I love these. These stamps are gorgeous because they are just super cute. They look great on the page, and you can kind of put them in clusters and stuff. So you get a bunch of floral stamps. That's gorgeous. And then in here, what is in here? So I like the packaging already, because you can always use this in your journals as well. Cover up this part here, and you can use this background here. So this is Plant Drawings Time Fragment Series. So these are bits and bobs, and these feel like stickers too. So they're kind of like washi stickers. So I'll go through these. Tickets, floral tickets. Looks like 2 of everything in here. Wow, these are gorgeous. Little tags. What's that? Oh, cool. I'll go through these. So, oh my gosh, there's tons in here. So beautiful. Oh, and look, it looks like the paper's burnt and stuff, so you have a little bit of distressing on there, so adding some ink on here and things like that. That one looks like it's already ripped. Oh, no, it just didn't get cut. That's it. Okay, I see. I was going to say, it looks like it's, you know, been pre-torn, but no, it was just a piece that was still on there. Okay, so beautiful flowers. Oh, wow. I am amazed. So this one, again, looks like it has a ripped, burnt edge on it, or torn edge, distressed edge, whatever you want to call it. Gorgeous. These are cute, too. Look at this. On the corner of a paper, and it has a couple layers in there with some stamping on it. Looks like plants. A lot of florals in this. I love that. And 2 of these. So you get 2 of everything in that collection. That's really nice. Oh, and cute. To go far away. Little tags. So let's look in here. See all of these little tags. So I do believe these are also washi stickers. So I love that. So if you are, you know, wanting to do a really cute little album page or a journal page, add something to your planners, this is super easy to do. Look at the colors. Those are gorgeous. This might work in my new planner. So if you haven't seen, I've got a planner that I did that's kind of a floral, dark, mystical theme. It has lots of like darker colors like these, and you know, some darker florals and stuff that would look pretty in there, I think. Ooh, there, whoops, and then I throw some. Those are beautiful. So those are, there's a lot of them in there too. Good gravy. There's a lot in this kit, you guys. You need to go check it out, Your Creative Studio, and check this out and get some for yourself. So these are papers. This is called Memory of a Letter. And these are, let me go through, see if I can go through them so you can see. You get a couple of each kind. So we've got some postcards, and these are papers, so not stickers. I love this. This is great for your journaling and stuff. You can write on the back, layer these on pages, you know, put them in tuck spots, all kinds of stuff. So a great collection of old postcard images. And there's a bunch. You can see there's a bunch. So let's see, we have that in here. What do we have in here? Let's find out. So we have twine that you can recycle into your projects, because we waste not, want not, right? And in this nice little pocket here, we have, oh, a lot. There's even stickers and, or yeah, little tags and stuff. So we have, looks like Monday through Friday, and we have some labels here, which is amazing. I love that. I used these in a project recently, and it turned out really good. You have some round labels here. Very cute. And then, last but not least, we have some papers. Let me show you these. So these are bigger sized. I think they look like they're 4 by 6. I can measure those. 4 1/8 by, oh, I was close. 5 3/4, roughly. So just nice. Oops, they're all in different configurations, but look at this nice letter papers and stuff. Old handwriting. So beautiful. So beautiful. I hope our generation can read that, our younger generation anyway. I hear tell that they're not teaching cursive, and that makes me sad because it's just beautiful. And then there's like hand-done papers, textured papers. I hope you can see that. It's gorgeous. You get 2 of each of those. And then this beautiful purple paper. Purple paper. I can't talk. So you get letter papers, you get plain papers, you get the labels in here. Look at all that. Oh, rub-ons. The rub-ons here are just absolutely gorgeous. I love them. They work really well. So I'm excited. They come with a little rub-on tool. So go through. Oh, those are beautiful. Look at those. Absolutely beautiful. So 3 pages of those. put those there. Let's see. I'm trying to spread it out so you can see everything as I'm pulling it out. Oh, here's more label stickers, which are really cool. They are different sizes, so if you look on the back, you get smaller labels here. There's stamp shapes here, and then you get the full-size labels here. So those are very cool. I love that. This is new. I've never seen this before. Stencils. Oh, my goodness. Well, well, well. Well, well, well. This is brand new. I haven't seen this before. So it looks like you get 2 stencils for beautiful backgrounds. So this is where you'd want to get those brushes out and your distress ink or whatever you want to use, your sprays, and do some beautiful backgrounds. That will be fun. I want to play with those. And then, this is last but not least, the packet of the papers. So you get 6 sticker papers, 6 vellum papers, 6 art papers, and 6 pattern papers. And they're all the same, so you get like one design of each of the types of papers. Does that make sense? I hope it does. So I'll go through one set so you can see what you're going to get, and you're going to get them in all those types of papers. Ooh, that dragonfly is gorgeous. How pretty is that? Oh my goodness. I love these papers. These are gorgeous. So this is going to be a beautiful subscription box to play with. I'm really excited. Beautiful butterflies. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So pretty. All right, and so here we start over, and then you have your sticker papers. So you get, you know, the regular papers, you get sticker papers. Just absolutely gorgeous. You get some textured papers here. These have, they're thicker, they have a texture to them, and then also the vellum as well. So gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, you guys. So that kind of concludes what I got in this particular subscription box from Your Creative Studio. This is amazing. Can you guys see all of this? I mean, is this coming? Let me zoom so you can see all of the goodies. Look at all the goodies. Stencils, rub-ons, papers, stickers, stamps, washi, everything you need to create a beautiful project. So thanks for watching. Go check out Your Creative Studio. I'll have the link down below, and get your subscription box. Thanks for watching. I'll be back soon. I'll show you what I did with it. Have a crafty day. Bye-bye.